To the right and stretch it long. Take the arm down, hold. Now when you take the upper arm up, like it's got a paintbrush in the end of it, and you want to sweep and paint a whole rainbow in the sky, and take it the opposite down. And bring it up. Sweep it again. Take it down. This time take the arm that's pressing against the leg and bring it out. And stretch it up. Good. Opposite stretch over. Swing it out. Bring it up. And one more time. Take it down. Take it over. And bring it up. Last time down. Take it out and bring it up. Inhale. Take the hands, press them, look up, and bring it down to the center of your chest.